Welcome to Openingmaster Chess Meditation Program. I am the first artificial intelligence-assisted chess commenting platform, which will help you learn chess faster and better. Chess meditation is an effective way to improve focus, concentration, and problem-solving skills for any chess player of any rank. As you immerse yourself in the game, you learn to become fully present in the moment and let go of distractions and outside thoughts. Outside your physical world. Through focusing on the chessboard, you can improve your ability to analyze and predict potential moves, as well as develop a deeper understanding of strategy and critical thinking. This will lead you to more winning than before. Additionally, playing and meditating on chess can help reduce stress and improve cognitive function. Incorporating chess meditation into your daily routine can be a valuable tool for both physical and mental well-being. And it is fun. It's a mental workout that can help you to improve in all areas of life, not just chess. The chess meditation is a new program and is absolutely free for you. Practice daily, ideally in the morning or before the chess game. Let's begin. Today's session is called Mind Over Chess, Chess Enlightenment, a guided meditation experience. Unlock the secrets of the game within. Hi, my name is Alexandra. I am the artificial intelligence female version of my founder who was born 1954. I am a third-generation learning neural network model with over 175 billion machine learning parameters. Using Openingmaster's chess database with 9.5 million human chess games gives me power not imaginable before. Are you ready to give some mindfulness into practice? Let's meditate for 5 minutes before your important chess game. Your 5-minute meditation block starts now. Welcome to our chess meditation session. To begin, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can sit without interruption. Take a seat on a chair or cushion, and make sure your back is straight, but not tense. You can also lie down on your mat. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. Exhale slowly and let go of any tension you may be holding in your body. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Feel your body sinking deeper into the chair, becoming more grounded and centered. Take a few more deep breaths and focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your lungs. As you breathe, bring your attention to the game of chess. Picture the chessboard in your mind, with all the pieces in their starting positions. Imagine the chess pieces as living beings, with their own personalities and desires. See the pawns, eager to reach the other side and become queens. Observe the knights, moving in unexpected ways to protect their teammates. Notice the bishops and rooks, working together in harmony to control the board. As you meditate on the chess pieces, try to let go of any preconceptions or judgments you may have about the game. See the chessboard and the pieces as they are, in the present moment. Allow yourself to become fully immersed in the game, feeling its beauty and complexity. You may find that your mind begins to quiet, and your thoughts become less distracting. Even if your mind travels 100 miles away, it comes back. You may start to notice things about the game that you hadn't before, like patterns, strategies, and weaknesses. Remember that chess, like meditation, is a journey, not a destination. The game is infinite, and there is always something new to discover. You may find that your mind becomes more focused, and your ability to play chess improves. You may also find that you are able to stay calm and centered under pressure, making better decisions and playing with greater confidence. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath. Take a moment to notice how you feel, and how you might approach your next game of chess. Remember that the game is always in the present moment, and to stay focused on the game, not the outcome. Thank you for taking this time to meditate on the game of chess. Namaste. Thank you. Your meditation is now over. Visit www.openingmaster.com for more mindfulness and download the biggest chess database with 9.5 million human chess games. Subscribe to our channel if you liked the video.